The founder of Sources of Strength, Mark Murray, is a lot like the person in that parable. While working in juvenile justice as the head of the Police Youth Bureau in North Dakota, Mark and his team were involved in statewide intervention and crisis responses with teenagers and their families. At the time, North Dakota had some of the highest teen suicide fatality rates in the nation, and over a period of 3 years, Mark and his team attended more than 30 teen funerals. Some of these funerals were the result of drunk driving accidents, some were accidental overdoses, and many were suicide deaths. Mark came away from this experience with a profound sense that more could be done to get ahead of these issues and move beyond reactionary and crisis-driven responses. Mark left his job at the Police Youth Bureau to begin what would become Sources of Strength, with the vision to move further upstream in prevention efforts. Founded in 1998, Sources of Strength's first iterations were developed in partnerships with American Indian communities in the Dakotas experiencing high suicide rates and limited access to mental health resources. Today, there are active Sources teams in most U.S. states and Canadian provinces, in rural and urban, suburban, tribal, and indigenous communities all across North America. Sources of Strength is one of the most evaluated and widely disseminated prevention programs in North America. This evidence base began with a partnership with national researchers out of the University of Rochester who were observing young people as immensely powerful change agents within their natural peer relationships, and that this peer component was necessary for effective prevention. The partnership with the University of Rochester produced data to demonstrate the positive impact of Sources on population-level health norms. And it landed Sources on SAMHSA's NREP list, the gold standard for evidence-based program and practices. We'll talk more about the Sources of Strength evidence base in a little bit. Over the last 20 years, we've identified other gaps within the field of prevention that Sources of Strength works to bridge.